Reason to be jolly fun. I've literally got Chris. I don't know why, but I've got Christmas songs in my head. Anyway, today is just jumping on a little job which has been going on for a couple of days. I didn't start it, but like I say, I'm just gonna crack on with it today. I believe it might only be today I'm here, but I shall see. But like I say, it's a nice little easy one. Just filling the gap, collapsed bit of wall. It's another mix match wall, so it's a bit of dry, bit of mortar. So we're just going to build it up like, you know, the dry stone effect basically. So it's sort of like hearted like a dry stone, but then filled up with the mortar. So nice and easy, nice easy walling. That's what we like. But aim of the game today is just bish bash bosh out as much as possible, and yeah, try and get a good chunk in. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. But anyway, without further ado, let's crack on and just pray that it doesn't rain, because it is looking a bit fruity up there. Get the odd bit of spit light, but like I say, fingers crossed. Anyway, let's crack on with today and let's see what happens. It's a beautiful day. Look at that, eh? We're getting there. We are getting there. Stone's a bit funky, but you know what I mean? It is what it is. So as you can see, we're sort of nearing about halfway I'd say. We're just trying to use up all this small stuff basically. Like I say, it's a quick fix, but oh hey, there's me delivery. But yeah, like I say, we're doing good. It's going up. We're getting there. We are getting there. Lovely jubbly. Does look like it's gonna rain, but fingers crossed it doesn't. Anyway, let's crack on with this afternoon. Lovely jubbly. Jubbly, another day done. Do you know what? That was quite a productive day actually. We absolutely bashed out quite a lot. It was good. Nice and easy though, that type of balling. Nice and easy. But look at this t-shirt, look at that, look, back in the day, you know, back in the Ibiza days, the Guinness badge as an Ibiza badge, eh? Look at that, eh? Traditional drunk Ibiza original Islas Baleares, Spain. Oh, that's felt like a long day, you know. But no, all good. Anyway, I don't actually know if I'm there tomorrow. I need to find out. I need to go make a call. But like I say, that's a good chunk in. There's probably only a couple of days left on that anyway. So like I say, we picked out all the tops this morning. So, and it hasn't sort of left us with the smaller stuff. So it's just ideal using that little bit of mortar because it just bungs it up and it just sort of, yeah, like it's quite a wide wall for using stones which are that big. But you know, you can always make a dry stone. You always can. But like I say, you know, jobs like this, I get told what to do and told what to use. So I just turn up and get crack-a-lacking. But yeah, like I say, what's it today? Friday. Friday done. Love it. Working all weekend. So yeah, like I say, I might be back there tomorrow. I don't know. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. And yeah, take care and I'll see you in a bit.